In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Gmail inbox using Clickup. This handy method will optimize your workflow and help keep your emails organized and actionable. Let's dive right in to see how it's done. First, head over to the Clickup Chrome extension page. This extension is a versatile tool that allows you to manage tasks, track time, and even take screenshots all directly through your browser. Once you're there, click on the Install Chrome extension button. This will integrate Clickup with your browser, creating a bridge between your Gmail and Clickup for seamless task management. Now that you've set up the extension, it's time to navigate to your Gmail inbox. Open your preferred browser, type in the Gmail URL, and log in if needed. Once inside your Gmail inbox, find an email that you want to transform into a task. Click to open that email, as this will be where our Clickup integration begins to shine. On the opened email, you'll see a button labeled Add to Clickup. Click this button and you'll be presented with options on how you want to manage the selected email. You have the choice to either add it as a new task within ClickUp or attach it to an existing task. For our demonstration, let's go ahead and add it as a new task. By doing so, a new task window will pop up, which will be pre-filled with details from your email. Now, it's important to ensure that your task details are clear and actionable. Start by editing the task title to make it relevant and descriptive, something that will remind you of the content at a glance. Once you've set a fitting title, it's helpful to assign a due date. Click on the calendar icon next to the task details and select a date that corresponds with your deadline or follow-up schedule. This ensures your task is attended to in a timely fashion and helps prioritize your workload within ClickUp. Additionally, you can assign this task to yourself or a team member by clicking on the person icon. Doing so allows you to set the responsibility for the task and keeps everyone in sync with their duties. This collaborative feature is especially useful in team environments where task management is crucial to productivity. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your Gmail inbox using ClickUp's powerful integration. Remember, the key to productivity is keeping your tasks organized and easily accessible, and this method ensures your emails don't just sit idle in your inbox, but instead become an active part of your workflow. So, why not give it a try? Organize your emails like never before and take control of your workload with ClickUp today.